Hello and welcome to AJ Science and Tech. Today we are diving deep into the world of portable computing with a device that promises to blend power, productivity, and portability. The Fusion 5 10.1 inches Windows 11 professional tablet PC. In this video, we unbox the intriguing tablet with its Intel 13th generation processor and 8 GB of RAM to their paces and see if it lives up to the hype. Whether you are a student, a professional on the go, or just someone looking for a very style Windows tablet, you will want to stick around to find out Fusion 5 232 Pro and 5 is the right choice for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future tech reviews. Right off the bat, we are talking about an impressive set of specifications for a device of this size. The Fusion 5 232 Pro and 5 is powered by an Intel Alder Lake 13th generation and 100 CPU, a quad-core processor that turbos up to 3.4 GHz, delivering what the company calls powerhouse performance. This is paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a speedy 256 GB M.2 SSD, a combination that ensures lightning force, responsiveness, and smooth multitasking. Whether we are working on a document, browsing the web with multiple tabs open, or even handling some light creative work, the inclusion of an SSD rather than a slower eMMC is a huge plus for overall speed and boot times. But it's not just about raw power. This device runs Windows 11 Professional, which means it's geared for advanced productivity. Unlike tablets with mobile operating systems, the Fusion 5 gives you the full desktop experience, allowing you to run all your favorite Windows applications with ease. This professional grade operating system combined with the tablet's intuitive interface offers a seamless and flexible experience for modern users, adapting effortlessly to both work and creative pursuits. The display is another major highlight. The Fusion 5 boasts a 10.1 inches 1920 into 1200 FHD IPS display that promises vibrant color and sharp clarity. This resolution is higher than the standard 1080 pixels, giving you a bit more vertical screen real estate, which is great for productivity. The display is complemented by a durable G&G 2.5D capacitive touchscreen, which provides precise and responsive interaction, making it perfect for driving, taking notes, or simply navigating the operating system with your fingers. Furthermore, this tablet is built with versatility in mind. It comes with a variety of connectivity options that you don't always find on portable devices. We are talking about a USB 3.0 port, a USB Type-C, a micro HDMI for connecting to an external display. The tablet also supports a micro SD slot for expanding storage up to 512 GB, which is a lifesaver for anyone with a large media library or who needs to store a lot of documents. And for those looking to transform it into a full-fledged laptop, an optional docking keyboard is sold separately. This makes the Fusion 5 a true two-in-one machine, ready to be a tablet for media consumption or a laptop for serious work. So, in this video, we are going to take a deep dive. We unbox it, check out its design and build quality, explore its key features, and then put it through a series of tests to see if it truly delivers on its promise of being a powerhouse tablet PC. We look at everything from everyday performance to battery life, and of course, that stunning display. We even try some light game and see how it handles media playback. Whether you are considering this for support for work or just as your straight home companion, stick around. By the end of this video, you have a clear idea if the Fusion 5 232 Pro and 5 is the right Windows tablet for you. And before we jump in, if you find this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to AJ Science and Tech for more tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.